think it's in too fast. Change to size 3. Change to size 3. 310 wide. Have a look.
There.
Yes, guys, I caught one. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Oh, I give a good fight. Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Good on you. Good luck with it, Joel. No worries. I'll catch up with you.
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Quite far.
Where was he? Right out the back.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna cross my line.
Just went over the top. Good luck.
Okay, thank you. Alright, guys. I caught one, but my camera went off. Still alive. I just changed to a fresh battery, so I'm gonna try again. This is on the white Shimano. It kind of hit quite far, and this another one follow, but it got caught. It got caught by another angler, so I'm gonna try again.
How much is this?
Yeah, I couldn't see that. That's a nice jig color. Oh yeah, they are squid. Yeah, they are squid. They are squid. It's just that. It's just that they're a bit shy.
I'm just keeping my.
Yeah, yeah. I saw them. I saw them come and move backward again. Move forward, move backward again. If we change to a smaller size jig, maybe they will come. Just read after read. You really need to take the efforts to, clean the read out. Because the squid won't attack your jig if there's reed there on it. So windy over there. Let me try cast over this side. I'll be casting against the wind. You never know. So let me try. Who knows if you can catch the squid there. Yep, I got it. I got a squid. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Decent size. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Oh, just by one tentacle. Small one should be fine. Oh, decent size. Okay, now I change to my orange chick. Oh, beautiful. Nice, decent squid. On the hunt. 我们现在出来了。这个有点 rough。Bro， 你用我另外一个棍 ，Bro， 用我另外一个棍。Yes, another one. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. 这个颜色 light. Attack mode. Oh, if you look at that. Even when my jit collect a lot of weight, right, it still attack. Look at that. When the weight is attached to the bob, the squid won't attack. But this one here, in KI, it's just insane. Crazy. Hi guys, this is our second day breakfast. Bread, eggs, some munchun, and some noodle. And maybe today we'll just do some salmon fishing. Woo! Guys, this is beautiful. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Quite well, huh? Oh, nice. Oh my god, this is this of mine! Woo!
Oh my god, bro.
Woo! What?
Oh,
Crazy mine! Congrats, congrats!
oh, thank you, bro.
And good, what's up the fish? Come on bro, you can do it bro. Woo! Woo! How does it taste like?
Tastes like a good, decent fish.
Okay.
Yeah?
Approve? Mrs. Approve?